Today, severe storm heat is real. The air temperature began to drop before the showers, and squall wind began. Floods are reported. Wind gusts reach 100 kilometers per hour. On the eve, Minister of Internal Security Omer Bar-Lev held a meeting in which he said that it is unacceptable to be frivolous in preparation for the rampant elements. Rescue services across the country are on high alert. The municipalities of Akko and Nahariya took the brunt of the disaster. Due to storm, classes have been cancelled in all schools and universities. School children in these cities study remotely. The Ministry of Education has cancelled school trips and extracurricular activities in nature planned for the coming days. The Jewish National Fund has asked Israelis to refrain from visiting the fund's box and reserves until the end of the week. On the way to Israel, storm hit Greece and Cyprus. Record-breaking hail hit the mountainous regions of Greece. Some ice floes were the size of a golf ball. Wind gusts reached 60 kilometers per hour. The air temperature dropped to zero at night. Some areas were left without electricity due to broken wires. Due to the storm, ships were prohibited from entering the port of Piraeus. Flights were cancelled due to poor visibility.